What is this Clubhouse? Everybody's talking about this Clubhouse app, which is launched 1 month back in India, but everybody is very curious. And let me tell you, this is an addiction. Ladies and gentlemen, a new app has been developed and is rocking absolutely. It is Clubhouse. So let's understand what is Clubhouse. Initially, when I saw this name, I heard this name, I thought Clubhouse means it's a society clubhouse where we have this birthday functions and all blah blah blah. But I was wrong. When I downloaded and installed this, let me tell you, it's an addiction. It's a networking platform, but with a little bit twist. And the twist is, it's an audio based platform where you can enter and you can talk, you can listen people talking, you can click on the button and you can listen carefully. You can listen carefully to people what they're saying. There are clubs which are made on the topics. It's a wonderful platform for networking. It will absolutely help you to grow. So if you are looking for public speaking confidence, you have any business and you're looking for potential clients, if you're looking for something networking, you will get everything here. People are just pouring in. You can connect, you will get followers, you will get following, same like on Instagram. How does it behave? Only thing is, instead of posting it, you have to listen to the audios or you have to speak. It's an audio based platform. Amazing. How does it works? So ladies and gentlemen, let me explain you quickly. Before I go to my screen, let me tell you, my name is Sanjay Potdar and I bring this such kind of wonderful videos for you. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, share this video to friends. Now let's begin. Let's see what is Clubhouse. Let's go to my screen. All right. So let me take my mobile hand here. It's a mobile based app basically, and you can see this is all Clubhouse. I'm moving my stuff. Let me go. Yeah, so this is mobile based app, and let me refresh. Let me tell you, first you will see this profile. Okay, so first you have to create a beautiful profile like this, where you see, first you'll create a beautiful profile like this, put an attractive display picture. You'll see there are Sanjay Potdar, your name, your user ID, your followers, how many people you're following, all details about you. Write as much as detail possible. This was all about your profile. You can go to settings and then you can see the frequency, normal. I mean, how frequently you come. Include trending rooms. Yes, it will show you the trending rooms. Notifications, yes, paused. Otherwise it will start disturbing you. Then accounts. If I go to accounts, you can deactivate the account. Interest, it will ask you to select the interest. So it tech, you can select your interest. Identity, look at this. Then you can go to knowledge, then you can go to hustle, then hanging out, the language, the wellness, life, faith, world affairs, arts, sports, entertainment, places. So if you select this, so Clubhouse gets an idea what kind of topic you love, so it will try to display that kind of clubs for you, that kind of content for you. So once you come here, and now let me go and show you the real magic. These are all nothing but club. You can see the first club, they have not named the club, but there are 139 participants right now, and you can see the topic. The second topic is too hot to handle. Then you can see promote your brand, right? So if I go to any kind of a promote your brand, let me go and show you how it happens. So I'm inside this. Now you can hear the audio on my mic.
Senior brands in the country.
So if you see,
welcome. Pankaj, welcome. A great friend of mine has joined in, Glenn and RJ.
If you see,
Glenn, good morning. Thank you very much. Right after the show, I have kept your promise. Thank you very much, buddy. And I'll give you the chance. But before, let me open the platform for two very senior individuals, which I really respect the most. Manu sir, I request you to please introduce yourself, and can you please share the light that how we can.
So now if you see the stars here, these are the moderators and these are running this platform. They have the rights to mute and unmute. So if you want to participate, you just have to click on this raise hand button. So I'll click on the raise hand button and see what happens. I got a message. Himanshu invited you to join as a speaker. I just said yes. Yeah, so I have muted myself. Now see, I'm into speaker here. This is absolutely stunning, right? So now people can see me and you can hear the speaker. Now the speaker who is speaking it will have a kind of a border. So you see Manu sir is speaking right now and he has a border here. So this is the way you can develop. Let's listen to him for a moment.
And before I proceed, Sunny, you can talk to Sahaj about training material translation that we have been looking for in regional languages.
Look at that, sir. He's the only guy who will do the translation, sir. And done.
So basically, that's what we've been. If anybody wants me to
So this is the way I came out of my room. You can leave quietly. People will not come to know that you're out of the room. This is absolutely stunning, right? Okay, now let me show you what we have. Let me go ahead and look at this. These are all rooms. Okay, let's forget about rooms now. Let me show you. If you go to bell icon, you'll see the notification. This is my friend Chetan Narati just joined Clubhouse. Follow them, Komal said. And these are the people who have joined, right? So you can see this big list and it will automatically show you that who has followed. It's like a normal social media platform. Let me open this invites. Now you can invite your friends and there are many things can happen. If you invite a lot of friends, then you may get some perks, which is absolutely stunning. These are the upcomings for you. Transforming India AP4. These are the upcoming topics which are in trending and the timing is given. You can join any of them and you can speak. Isn't it absolutely stunning? So this is an audio based platform. You can look at the activity just like a normal social media, right? And you can also start a room. So if you want to start a room, you want to start any particular topic, you can just go and you can just open social or close room. How do you want? So if I want open, I'll just say let's go and I'll just say something about this room. So see, look at this. Now Richa has joined. Hi Richa, how are you? Can you hear me? So I'm just giving a demo. I'm making a YouTube video, guys, just to explaining everyone what is this Clubhouse. Everybody's talking about. It's a new addiction. So I'm just giving a demo to everyone. So this is the room which I have just created for a sample, just to show you how you can create your own room. You can add topic to it. You can invite people. It's an open room right now. You can put any topic and you can create a lot of knowledge. You can share anything what you want. You can give other people to speak and chance. And this is like an audio based platform. This is something very unique and people are absolutely loving it. So this was it, just an example how you can open a room. Let me go back and let me show you how you can start a open room. You can create a closed room. You can add a topic to it. You can be the moderator because you have started the room. And this is absolutely stunning. This is all about Clubhouse, guys. I hope you love it. And this is the most in trend. You see there's a mic icon here. If I mute it, I'll not be able to hear it, and I can unmute it. So people can raise hand and I can, as a moderator, I can give access to people that if they want to join. Like you can say now Ketan and Richa are in this room. If they want to speak, they will click on the raise hand button. I'll get in as a moderator. I'll get an update. They want to speak, I'll add into the stage and they can start speaking. So if you see now, Richa is on stage and Ketan is in the room. If Ketan wants to speak, he will click on the raise hand button and I can give access to stage. So thank you Richa, thank you Ketan for joining in. This was just a quick demo. I'm making a video on YouTube. What is Clubhouse? Thank you so much for being participant. Thank you. I'm closing this room. Thank you so much. So this is how you can end the room. So this was all about rooms. You can join the clubs, you can share the knowledge, and this is absolutely stunning. So what you saw just now is Clubhouse, the all madness about Clubhouse. Again, a new trend. I mean, who might have thought this, that people want to speak audio based social networking platform. No need of starting a video. This is no need of putting a pictures, just put a DP and audio based. You can get a knowledge, you can listen to people, and you know what, when you listen, the imagination increases. And who might have thought this idea? Let's create a network platform where audio can be the medium. And look at this, what a beautiful thought. And this is, let me tell you, this is an addiction. People are not sleeping, they're talking whole night. They are sharing the knowledge. This can be the good platform for you. This can be a good networking platform for you. Whatever your business is, just come to Clubhouse, give a demo, show the world what business you have, and you never know, you get a lot of connects. I hope you love this video, ladies and gentlemen. If yes, please share this video to everyone. Click on the subscribe button to my channel and keep sharing your love. Thank you so much.